Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the first topic of module 1, and we will start with the new product development. So now first let me check the syllabus what it is given. Okay. For the marketing sales and marketing management syllabus, the first topic it is emerging issues related to new product development. It means we are going to discuss about the new product development. So now let's start. So as you can see on your screen, the first topic is new product development. So what exactly it is new product development? So here you can observe. So let me, yes, green color, yes. Now from here we are starting. It is the process of creating and introducing new or improved products to the market through a company's own research and innovation. Okay, so what is this one? The process. It is nothing but a kind of process of creating and introducing new or improved product to the market through companies' own research and innovation. It focuses on meeting customer needs, staying competitive, and driving business growth. Okay, so if any process is creating or introducing new product to the market through companies' own research and innovation, then that we can call as new product development. So it involves new you can say idea generation, design, testing, and launch stages. So here I'm talking about can include, so what is given, it can include products, product improvements, or brand extension. Okay, so in case of new product development, it may be possible that the company introduces new product or develop new product, or it improves some existing product, or the company may extend the brand, or you can say some kind of improvement in the product. Okay, so these all include new product development. So what it ensures, it ensures product align with the market demand and customer expectation. It means a new product development should be according to the market demand and the customer expectation. Means what the market demands and what are the expectations. According to the expectations of the customers, the product should be developed. It aims to enhance competitiveness and support long-term business success. So that's all about the new product development here, the first. And now step by step we will move on in deeper and deeper. So new product development, next here given the topic new product development process. So what are different process? So when a company develops a new product, it can't rely on luck for success. Okay, if a company wants that the new product should be success for the company, then it should not depend on the luck. So what it should do, to deliver superior value, the company should deliver the superior value. Okay, superior value, it must first understand its customers, market dynamics, and competitors. Okay, so the reason is that if the company understand the customers or the market dynamics and competitors, then only it can develop better products, so that the customers are going to like those products, and those products can compete with other companies products. This requires a well structured new product development process that ensures informed decision and minimizes risks. So that's here, it requires a well structured new product development process. So new product development process should be well structured. Okay, that ensures informed decisions and minimizes risks. Okay, so now we will move on to this structured process of new product development. So here we can say that the whole process can be divided into 8 stages. Okay, so one by one we will discuss about these all 8 stages of the new product development process. The first stage of the new product development process, it is idea generation. So here given what happens in idea generation. So brainstorming innovative ideas for new or improved products that solve customer problems or meet emerging needs. Okay, so basically it is all about what, solving customer problems. Okay, and here in this case, in case of idea generation, whatever brainstorm, it means innovative thinking or putting new ideas. These all things should be to solve customer problems. Okay, and the sources of new ideas can come from customers, employees, so employees, competitors, distributors, and suppliers. Because customer, for example, if the customer faces any kind of problem, then from that problem the company get the idea for the new product development, so that the company can solve those, the problems of customers. So it focuses on generating feasible and value driven ideas. So okay, so what it means, focuses on generating feasible means the ideas should be feasible and value driven. It means that whatever ideas should be generated, so those ideas should be, feasible means that should be applicable to solving the problems of customers, and those ideas should add value. Okay, so example here given, example for idea generation given, growing demand for better phone cameras inspires new design. Okay, so here growing demand for better phone cameras, so customers may want a better phone cameras. I can say the better cameras in mobile phones. So from that, what expectations of customers, the company can get idea that a better quality cameras should be installed in smartphones, so that the customers expectations are going to be fulfilled. Okay, so that's all about the idea generation stage. That is the first stage of the new product development. Then the second step, it is idea screening. So what happens in idea screening, it is about filtering ideas based on, so what is given here, yes, filtering new ideas based on feasible innovations and customer value. So we have to filter out according to the feasibility, means whether it is possible to make that kind of product or not. So that is going to decide the feasibility of the idea, means from the idea to the product, this is possible or not. From the idea, whether we can implement the idea to make a product, means the physical product, so that that can be used to solve the customer's problem. Whether it is possible or not, that should be filtered out in this second stage of idea screening or innovation here, based on the feasibility, innovations, and customer value, and whether that idea, means the idea which we got in the first stage, adds some value to the product, or to the life of the customers or not. So according to that, we can filter out some ideas which are more valuable and more feasible. Now select on the most promising and okay, how we can select the idea. So we can select the idea on the most promising and the practical ones, means we have to select most promising idea, and those ideas should be practical ones. Consider technical, financial, and market viability. Conduct internally with the input from cross-functional experts. Okay, what here given, idea screening should be conducted internally with input from cross-functional experts, means from different you can say the experts from different functional areas should be, or you can say the experts from different functional area should conduct idea screening. It means whether the expert from the marketing or from the finance or from the HR or operations, so from these all fields, ideas should be screened out. Okay, means those experts should uh, what should make comments, or they may tell that whether the given idea is feasible or not, whether it is financially, if any expert it is from the finance department, then he or she can tell about whether it is possible, means, or whether it is possible to acquire that much finance for new product development or not. On the basis of that given idea, or the marketing department may give a, the view that whether the given idea is able to provide the product so that the customer's problem can be solved or not. So in this way, what experts from different departments can t- conduct uh, idea screening. So example here given, automakers screen electric car ideas considering battery cost and demand. Okay, so by considering the battery cost and demand, we can filter out the whether uh, electric car is feasible or not, or whether it is financially viable, or whether the customers want such kind of products or not. So these all things should be considered for idea screening. Okay, that it was all about the idea screening. First stage it was idea generation, second it is about idea screening, then the third it is about concept development. So what is this concept development? Now concept develop here, as you can see on your screen, the third one, that is concept development and testing. Promising ideas are shaped into detailed concept and tested with, now here I'm discussing here. Here I am. So promising ideas are shaped into detailed concept and tested with the consumers to identify the next appealing version. Okay, so whatever the promising ideas means, so after screening the ideas which were left, so that those can be used for the new, for further processing for the new product development. Those should be tested here. Okay, in the third stage, so we have to develop the concept. Okay, for, and then after we have to test them. So for that purpose we have to define target audience, key features, and pricing and benefits. Means we have to target audience, means who are going to buy the product, that we have to decide. Then the key features, so what different features are there in the product which the customers want. And the pricing, whether the price of the product is acceptable to the customers or not. So those things also to be considered. And the benefits, so what different benefits the customers will get from the product, creates multiple. So concept development, next define this one, target audience, key features, pricing and benefits. Then after, create multiple product concept for the evaluation. So okay, so we have to develop multiple product concept for the evaluation purpose. Evaluation means we have to develop multiple concepts so that we can test that, okay, now whether the first concept is more applicable to solve the problem or not. Or in the same way we can test the different concepts for the problem solving. Test concepts with the potential users for validation. So what given here, test concepts with potential users for validation. So what do we have to do? We have to test the concept with potential users for the validation. It means those who are expect, or you can say the expected customers for the product. With those expected, or you can say the potential users, we have to validate the concept. Means whether those potential users or customers like those concepts or not. To solve their problems, we have to test, we have to discuss with them, okay, whether this one is the the kind of product which we are going to develop, and these are the features and these are the technical specifications which we are going to add in the product, so that your problems can be solved. So those things we can discuss with the potential users, and if they validate, if they say okay, now the features or the specifications of the products are quite good, and we accept those things for the solution of our problems, then we should take next step. So example here given: a sportswear brand test lightweight shoes with athletes. Okay, so here given example that a sportswear brand test lightweight means, for example, a sportswear brand uh, developed a new concept of lightweight shoes. Okay, and they discussed with the athletes that okay, if the shoes weight it is this much, and this is the dynamic, or you can say the shape and the design of the shoe. And if they say, if athletes say okay, now this product is quite good, and they are ready to accept, or they are going to use they are ready to use the shoes produced by that sportswear brand, then the company can take a further step for making that product. Okay, now after concept development and testing, we have the next stage, that is marketing strategy development. So what happens in marketing strategy? Once a concept is validated, a marketing strategy, I think it is visible, yes, here I am talking about the fourth. Okay, change the color of this one, yellow, it will be better. Okay, so marketing strategy development. Once a concept is validated, a marketing strategy is designed to guide launch, price, and position. So it means marketing strategy is all about designing uh, the launch, pricing, positioning. So these all things. So define target market, so where our customers value proposition, so how much value the given product add, and then the sales goal. So these all come under marketing strategy. So outlines pricing, distribution, and marketing budget, sets long-term profit goals, and marketing mix plan. Basically it is all about the marketing mix plan. Okay, marketing strategy is basically about marketing mix plan according to the you know company's policy. Now next we have to move to the next stage, that is business analysis. So now the fifth stage, it is about the business analysis. So what happens in business analysis, what we do here? So we assesses, business analysis assesses the financial viability of the new product before heavy investments are made. Okay, so we have to analyze the financial viability. It means whether after investing heavy amount for the new product development, whether that is going to provide the return on the investment or not. So that's why given estimate sales volume, cost, and the profit projections. So we have to analyze how much the cost will involve in making the product, how much there will be sales volume, and what it will be the profit from the sale. Compare means we have to compare the results with the company's growth and return on investment target. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to compare the results with the company's growth and return on investment targets. And if the results are and if, if the results with the company's growth, okay, if the new product causes the company's growth and the return on investment it is high, then there is green signal for the given product. It helps to determine whether to proceed to product development or not. It means business analysis. It is all about analyzing all aspects of the business, whether return on investment will be sufficient for the invested amount or not, whether the company will grow with this such kind of product development or not. So these all things should be analyzed, and then the company should decide so whether move on for the product development or not. So here example given, a snack brand evaluates cost of production, packaging and distribution. So okay, so cost of production, packaging and distribution, and so that it can compare this cost with the selling price, and then observe that whether the selling price it is higher than the cost or not, and if it is higher then there is some profit margin, and then a company can decide, okay, now we should develop this product because there is the possibility of the profit. Then we have the sixth stage, that is product development. What happens in the product development? Transform the concept into physical prototype. So what we do here in the product development, we make physical prototype of the product and test its performance and feasibility. Okay, so it requires significant time and investment. So here example given, a tech firm builds and refines a smartwatch prototype. So that is about the product development a stage, that is sixth stage. Then after test marketing, the product and the marketing program are tested in a real or simulated market environment before full scale launch. Okay, so before full scale launch, what happens, the whatever the prototype has been made, so the prototype should be tested in the market for its sell, or whether the features added in the products are liked by customers, or you can say the potential users or not. Test the product performance, pricing, that's here given in this subheading, that is tests the product performance, pricing and promotion strategies. Helps reduce risk by identifying potential issues. Okay, in this stage, test marketing, the company can identify any potential issues early, so that the risk can be minimized. And the level of testing depends on the investment size and the risk. So the level of testing means what kind of testing methods should be used in the test marketing stage. So that should depend on the investment size, means how much investment has been made. If the investment has been made at a very at a large scale, then in that case the testing sophistication should be quite large, or you can say it should be intensive testing. And also the risk, if there is more risk in the product development, then there should be very large large model should be used for market testing. Large model means better kind of model should be used for, or method should be used for testing the product. Okay, example here given, a cosmetic company launches a new cream in selected cities. Okay, before full scale launch in all cities, the company launches in only few cities, so that the feedback from the potential users can be taken, and if the expectations are not fulfilled by the new product, then some kind of modifications can be made in the product itself. Then we have the product launch, and after test marketing, means testing in a very small scale. Now we can move on to product launch. So what we do, introducing the product to the full market with coordinated marketing and sales efforts. It means now in the product launch stage we can introduce the product to the full marketing. It means to the all markets for which the product has been developed. So it executes full scale production and execution. It tracks them. Okay, product launch should include tracking of sales, customer feedback, and performance metrics. A software firm, example given here, a software firm monitors usage and satisfaction post launch. It means after launching the particular software, the company monitors whether the potential users are liking the product or not, and if they like the product, then the features are sufficient for the potential users, and if some kind of problems, or you can say some more features custom or potential users want, then some kind of modifications can be made with the given product, and then that can be relaunched with the modified version. That's all about all stages of new product development. Thank you all.